how to do the OLL case 5 step by step. You can see this case is formed by these 4 squares here, 2 down here, 2 on the right side, and 1 on the left side. Now I will show how to solve it. You have to move these 2 layers like this. Now you do a double move. Now you move the left layer down. You move again here. Now you go up, move again, and now move the double layer back down. Now I will show it a little bit faster. Let's do this. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe my channel to help me do more contents for you. And comment below if you liked and if you want more contents like this. I will wait you for the next contents. Take care.